Hello everyone, welcome to IELTS Listenora. This channel is new, so I truly appreciate your support. If you are preparing for the IELTS exam or want to improve your English listening and speaking skills, you are in the right place. Stay with IELTS Listenora for regular IELTS listening practice and real-life English conversations that will help you build confidence and improve your band score. Now, let's start. Hi, Rahim. Sorry I'm late. The traffic was really bad today.
No problem at all. I just arrived a few minutes ago. How are you doing?
I'm good, just a little tired. I had classes all morning. What about you?
Same here. I had a long study session today. I'm preparing for my IELTS exam, so I spend a lot of time practicing listening and speaking.
Oh, that's great. IELTS preparation can be challenging, but it really improves your English. Which part do you find the most difficult?
Honestly, listening. Sometimes people speak too fast and I miss important information.
I understand. I had the same problem before. What helped me was listening to daily conversations, like podcasts and simple English dialogues.
That sounds helpful. Do you listen every day?
Yes, even for 15 or 20 minutes. Consistency is more important than long study hours.
That makes sense. I usually study for long hours, but sometimes I feel tired and lose concentration.
Exactly. Short and regular practice works better. By the way, what score do you need in IELTS?
I want at least a band 6.5. It's required for my future study plans.
That's a good target. I think you can achieve it if you practice regularly.
I hope so. Sometimes I feel nervous when I think about the exam.
That's normal. Everyone feels nervous before an exam. The important thing is confidence. Try to practice speaking with friends.
Yes, I started doing that recently. It helps me think faster in English.
That's great progress. Also, try to listen without subtitles sometimes. It trains your ears better.
I will try that. By the way, what are you drinking?
Just a cup of coffee. I needed some energy today. What about you?
I ordered tea. I prefer tea when I study. It helps me relax.
That's nice. So, what do you usually do after studying?
I like to take a short walk or listen to music. It helps my mind rest.
That's a good habit. Taking breaks is important. Many students forget that.
True. Before, I used to study without breaks and I felt exhausted.
Learning should be enjoyable, not stressful. When you enjoy learning, you remember more.
You're right. Recently, I started watching English videos about daily life conversations. They are easy to understand and interesting.
That's perfect for listening practice. Real-life conversations help a lot in IELTS listening tests.
Yes, and I noticed that my vocabulary is improving too.
See? That's the result of regular practice. Do you have a study plan?
I try to study listening in the morning, reading in the afternoon, and speaking at night.
That's a balanced routine. Just don't forget to rest properly.
I won't. After the exam, I want to travel and relax for a few days.
That sounds like a great reward. Where do you want to go?
Maybe somewhere near the sea. I like peaceful places.
Same here. The sound of the sea is very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me forget stress.
Well, I'm sure you'll do well in your exam. Just stay consistent and confident.
Thank you, Emma. Talking with you always motivates me.
I'm glad to hear that. Let's meet again next week and practice English together.
Sure, that's a great idea. Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Now, let's finish our drinks before they get cold.
Yes, and after this, I'll go home and do some listening practice again.
Good luck.
Thanks. See you soon.
Thank you for watching IELTS Listenora. If you found this conversation helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more IELTS listening practice. Don't forget to practice every day. Consistency is the key to success. See you in the next video. Keep learning and stay confident.